All right, so today we are looking at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And this is a camera I think that's been on the market. Well, it's been on the market for a long time now. I think I don't even know how many, like 2 years, something like that. Um, but it is probably the camera that we see probably the most in regards to little cameras that people can just take around that kind of give you that professional quality look. At least that's what we see on the YouTubes. So I wanted to check it out. So I got one. So again, this is the Osmo Pocket 3. Now it is not the like creator combo or anything like that, because when I looked at the creator combo, I was just like, I don't need all that extra stuff. Now, maybe an extra battery would have been nice, but I can buy one of those. Wireless microphone, cool, but I have tons of those, so I'm good. Tripods, got them, don't need them. This thing charges fast, so it's never going to be in a scenario where I am without a way to charge this. So I use it, charge it, use it, charge it. I'm good. One battery should be okay. Plus, I have battery bags, so I can just kind of throw that in my pocket and charge away. So anyways, I went with just the basic camera. So what comes in the box? And really that's what this video is. It's just a short what comes in the box when you don't get the actual creator combo, which is what most people will probably recommend getting. But I know here in Canada, it pushes your price from about $700 up to 900 and change with tax, the $1,000 mark. So you're getting up there, right? You're getting up there in price. So this I thought probably more, or a more, I say more budget friendly. Still not like huge budget, but with taxes, you are way under, I say way under $800 esque, right? With taxes Canadian. So as you can see, I've already opened the box because I was excited. But I only took out the camera because I wanted to take the camera out to make sure it was charged. So just so you guys know, when the camera came out and I plugged it in, about 40% battery. So just realize that if you're going to take it out and start using it, you only got 40% battery, which means you're going to deplete that fairly fast. Now, second thing, of course, is that this, like a lot of cameras that you and I get right now, have to go through a registration phase. So you do need to have the app, and that's the DJI, I think it's the Mimo app. So you will see it here. So it's like, yeah, DJI Mimo, right? This one here. This is what you're going to use for basically any of their gimbal style cameras. So once you have here, you see the little camera icon on the bottom, you're going to click it. It's going to search for any cameras around. It's going to find this. Cool. You're going to connect to it. Then it's going to look and see that there's updates available. You're going to do all the firmware updates, which is what you want. And then you're good to go. How long does that take? I don't know, from start to finish. Mine probably took 10-15 minutes probably to get it all done and operational. And then of course I plugged it in to let it charge. Again, very cool, right? It does come with a little case, so I'm good. The case too, I didn't realize, does have a spot for two of the filters. So you have the wide angle that you can put in there, and you have the Black Pro Mist filter that you can put in there. So I'm very curious in regards to that. Anyways, very nice, right? It just kind of sits screened in. It would go like this. Make sure that's just kind of spun the right way. Close it up, and it's super, super nice and portable. Yeah, yeah, excellent. That's a win. Pocket friendly, some may even say. And then the only other things you get in here is this. It is a small box, right? I honestly was expecting a bigger box, but when it's the only thing in here, I'm kind of pleased with the fact that they give you a nice small box, because they don't need to have a whole bunch of stuff that's going in the garbage anyway. You have a DJI stores things must-have app for you. Yes, that's probably the Mimo app, I'm guessing. Whatever. Protector carrier. Is this a little manual for that? All right. A quick start guide. Cool. It looks like a DJI cleaning cloth. Nice. And a fuller size manual. That's what you're getting. And then you get the box of other stuff. Oh, what's in here? Again, I don't know. I have no idea. I just wanted the camera. Oh, I bet you this is a charging stand. Stand, maybe? Charging stand plus the 1/4 inch, which is what I would have went for I was concerned that you weren't going to get a 1/4 inch tripod. mount on the bottom. I was like, well, that's going to suck. But this is not like an extended battery, I don't believe, right? This is basically just so that you can, of course, plug it in, get your tripod hole, and still have that, right? So this is going to stick on. My guess would be it can only stick on one way. Has a little sticky thing on it, so take that off. So this, right, just goes like this. Click, click, barber trick. Which is good because now you have a little bit of extra extension. Plus, you have a front facing, which again means that, like for me, I should be able to just run, if I wanted to, like a USB cable. If I was even vlogging, I could run a USB cable into my pocket where I have a battery. Good. If not, they can both sit in the pack. I could have a battery like this, just charging it. Super simple. Yeah. And I like the fact too that it just gives you a bit more hand, right? A bit more hand holding, a bit more of a handle. I do like that, right? Because then you flick it, right? And your hand's down here, which for me gives you better option to the actual buttons, right? Because when you're up here having to hold it, it's a little strange, but this allows you to get your hand down so that you can hold it. And yes, 100%, right? Now it's going to close. Boom, boom, boom. Sweet. Does that. Folds in. What a wonderful kind of cool thing. Cool thing. Is that it? Is that it? No, there's a little bit more in there. Because again, we don't have a way to charge it yet. So it is crammed in there for sure. I'm guessing there's the charging cable. Yes, USB charging cable, and a lanyard for your hand if you so choose. And then I would say that is it. The only other thing in there, silica gel, which can stay in there because who cares? Anyways, that's the little unboxing of this. Honestly, I think that's all I need. It's all I need because, again, I even have wireless mics that are USB, so they could go straight in here, which is great. And I already have the DJI Bluetooth, the solo microphone, the DJI Mini, right? Which should connect into this too. So we'll do a video on how that mic connects to this because my guess would be easy, I'm hoping. And yeah, they're hard to get nowadays, they're hard to get. Everybody seems to want them. I want one. I got one. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you there just as the unboxing. But I'll be using this camera. Lots of little things coming up where this could be a welcome addition. All right, my friends, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. My luck is they'll announce a 4 in the next 3 days. Is my luck. Probably not. Anyways, I'll put links down below if you guys are interested in it. Just wait. Just realize it's probably not coming overnight, but you'll get it. It seems cool. All right, reviews and more videos on it coming up soon. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you fine folks later.